There is no simple way to define the AEM business. After years of planting its seeds in tech, it's now enjoying a season of yield, and the harvest has been bountiful. From a small manufacturing firm, AEM has become a global leader offering application-specific intelligent system test and handling solutions for semiconductor and electronic companies serving the advanced computing 5G and AI markets.
It's actually very satisfying to know that this company was built in Singapore by Singaporeans. And a lot of companies here are service providers. And it was a challenge when we started as a contract manufacturer. So it's a series of building blocks over time that we were able to lay the foundation and hire the right people and invite them for our journey.
Founded in 1990 as AEM Evertech Holdings, this homegrown Singapore company gradually gained prominence as a semiconductor test and handling company. It was eventually listed on SGX in 2000. In 2011, Lok Wai San, founder and CEO of private equity fund advisor Novo Televis Capital Partners, took charge of the company and set AEM on a new course.
You start with technology. You try to get a customer to believe you. You try to get a customer to move into production volume. Now, the challenge obviously was once you have the customer relationship, what do you do with it? And how do you keep yourself relevant with that customer and the market needs? That constant challenge is part of our culture, and that has enabled us to succeed so far.
It was also in this period that AEM solidified a long and fruitful partnership with one of its customers, following the development of powerful equipment considered the holy grail of the semiconductor industry.
In a very fast-changing world of technology, the time to design these products gets shortened, so we partner closely with them to ensure that they get maximum test coverage so that when they use our methodology of test, then they can be rest assured that they have maximum coverage and that their complex chips and products can go to the market trouble-free.
AEM's growth and success over the past few years can be attributed to the technology pillars created through a combination of development in its technological capabilities and strategic acquisitions. AEM partnered with NovoFlex Private Limited to buy shares and gain full control of SmartFlex technology. This was followed by the company's acquisition of Singapore-based Inspiraim Technologies Private Limited in 2017 and Finnish firm R4Oi in 2018. Most recently, AEM has succeeded in developing breakthrough solutions such as wide optics SR4 and multi-port vector network analyzer. With production and R&D facilities in Singapore, Malaysia, China, Finland, and France, AEM launched the world's first multi-gigabit copper cable validator and certifier, TestPro 100. R4Oi, together with Blueforce, developed a cryogenic tool for quantum field computing at near absolute zero temperature. In the same year, AEM's multi-mode fiber optic bandwidth test solution for its 5G backhaul network.
We encourage people from different levels to share their ideas, and we give a token of appreciation to people who come forward to share their ideas. So we have a committee of innovations to carefully assess the feasibility and practicality of these ideas, and we pick the most potential few. Then we rewards people who contributing in this process and contributing their ideas.
Our management team is always open to innovative changes. Where my team propose a new software design concept, they will improve the machine development time drastically. So the willingness of AEM to adopt this new idea in this our current developing project, it shows that AEM is actually always seeking for improvement from every aspect.
With the market capitalization, it's been a bright spot on the SGX for 3 consecutive years. AEM's cash and cash equivalents stood at 107.7 million, up 82.8% year-on-year. As the pandemic sent stocks to historic lows, AEM has become one of the tech outliers with positive gains in this bear market. Most recently, the company hosted a ministerial visit to study why AEM's growth remained positive and strong even as dark clouds loomed over Singapore's business landscape.
We had to make sure we continue to innovate. our technology is relevant for the fast-changing world, making sure that we are able to support the customers as they need it from a technology, manufacturing, and support point of view.
Named by Forbes Asia as one of Asia's 200 best under $1 billion in 2019 and 2020, AEM Holdings has won numerous awards for its stellar achievements and best corporate practices. But this Singapore success story also aims to blaze a trail in the community. The company participated in the Singapore Industry Scholarship to support performing engineering students by providing them with a platform to incubate their ideas for the industry.
When one builds a company to last, it has to go beyond that individual, and a lot of it has to be organization strengthening. It has to be talent building, and not just for the next succession, but for succession sequences after. I think that is critical. To remain relevant, strategic intent needs to be examined every 5 years or so, and hopefully we're well on our way on that.
There is no single formula for delivering solid organic growth, but as long as AEM Holdings remain deeply rooted in innovation, there is no storm that it cannot weather.